morning, boys and girls. This week, your goal is to practice adding two 3-digit numbers with the solution equaling up to 1,000. Now, you've done this before in past quarters, but quarter 4, you are focusing on the fourth component, which is to explain. So you'll use one of our strategies, either base 10 blocks, open number line, or expanded form, to solve and find the answer, and then explain how that strategy works for you. So I'm going to model adding 134 plus 257, and I would like for you to pause the video when I tell you to, so that you can try out your own strategy and see if your answer and explanation might match mine. So let's go ahead and get started. I want you to pause the video now and use one of the following strategies to solve 134 plus 257, either base 10 blocks, open number line, or expanded form. For my strategy, I'm going to use base 10 blocks. So I'm going to draw my first number, which is 134. I'll need to draw 100, 3 10s, and 4 1s. My second number is 257. So I'm going to draw 2 hundreds, 5 10s, and 7 1s. Now I need to go through with my 1s group, then my 10s group, then my 100s groups to make sure that I'm not having to regroup. Now remember, whenever you have a group of 10, you do have to regroup, and I see that in my 1s I have a group of 11. So I'm going to circle 10, and I'm going to move those 10 over into one group of 10 in my 10s column. That leaves me with only 1 1. I then have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, or 9 10s. So that means my 10s place is going to equal 90. I don't have to regroup there. And in my hundreds place, I have 3 hundreds, which is equal to 300. So I have 3 hundreds, 9 10s, and 1 1. Go ahead and pause the video and write your answer in your answer square. I got the answer based on the base 10 block strategy, 391. Did your answer match with mine? Great! Now what we'll have to do is explain how that base 10 block strategy worked for me. If you chose a different strategy, you'll choose a different explanation. But how did it work for you? We're not just going to write I used base 10 blocks or I used open number line. Instead, we're going to break it apart and explain how this strategy works, as if you're explaining it to somebody who has never learned how to add these numbers before. So I might start off with saying, I drew 134 and 257 using base 10 blocks. There were 11 ones, so I regrouped 10 ones into a group of 110. I had 1 1, 9 10s, and 3 hundreds left. That equaled 391. So go ahead and share your strategy and explanation with somebody close to you at home. And then what I would like for you to do is do the same four-square method on your own in solving this problem. 362 plus 213. Remember, you can use any strategy you would like, but you need to be able to explain that strategy to someone as if they've never learned it before. Once you've finished your own foursquare solving this problem, you can upload it either by sending a picture of your work to me through my email, or you can post it to our Class Dojo portfolio, whichever you would prefer. I can't wait to see all your hard work, and I will talk to you later. Y'all have a great day.